Good morning, dear children. Welcome you all in the first GK class of this session 2020. Children, today I am going to take two lessons from your GK book, that is Seed That We Eat, and the second one is the animal world. So let us start from the chapter Seeds We Eat. Children, you all know that seed is very important part of the plant, and plants can grow from the seed, and some seeds are edible. Children, here you can see picture of some seeds that are used for eating, like moong beans, masoor dal, urad dal, kidney beans, chickpeas and black-eyed beans. Children, hope you all have seen these seeds in your kitchen. If you have not seen, ask your mama and she will show you. Okay. Now, let us see the next question. Here, take the correct answer or answers. Cereals are seeds of different grasses. Which of these are cereals? Children, cereals are actually grains, and maize and wheat. You all have seen these two seeds. They are cereals, and masoor dal is pulses. Okay. Now second one is cornflakes and popcorn are made from maize. These are often eaten as sprouts. Children, you know that sprouts are very healthy, and some of you are also eating this sprouts. And can you tell me which seeds are often eaten as sprouts? The answers are moong beans and Bengal gram. Okay, moong beans is this one, and Bengal gram, that is black chana, right? Another name for kidney beans. These are kidney beans, and another name is rajma. Okay, these are also called as lobia. This seed is also known as lobia. The name of this seed is black-eyed beans. Okay. Millets are grown in hot, dry places. These cereal includes all these grains: jowar, bajra and ragi. All three make millets. Okay. Now let us know about the animal world. Children, here you can see animals' name are given, but in unscrambled form. So you have to write it correctly. Okay. So first one is, it sheds its antlers every year. Now this is an animal which sheds its antler every year, that is cheetal. Okay. And this animal spits when disturbed, and this is llama. Okay. And it is found only in Madagascar. The animal name is lemur. Scales on its tail rustle to warn enemies, that is rattlesnakes. Next one is, it is cousin of giraffe, okapi. It is one of the biggest snake, that is anaconda. Children, here this is actually a lizard but looks like a snake. This lizard is often mistaken for a snake, and this name of the lizard is skink. Okay. And its nimble paws can unlatch a cage, that is raccoon. Means it can open the cage. and its paws help for that. Now next one is, this is a fish, freshwater fish, and is a fire hunter also, and the name of this fish is piranha. Now children, here you can see the picture of some birds, and you have to recognize and write the name. So first bird is puffin, second one is toucan, third one is spoonbill, fourth one is cassowary, next one is bald eagle, and the sixth one is kookaburra. Okay, now these are the birds, and here some fill in the blanks given, and you have to fill the name of these birds in this gap. So first one is, the dash is a national bird of USA. So bald eagle is a national bird of USA. Okay, puffin is a kind of seabird. This is a puffin, and it is a one of the seabird. Now largest kind of kingfisher is spoonbill. Sorry, largest kind of kingfisher is kookaburra. This one. Largest kind of kingfisher is kookaburra, and this is wading bird, named after the shape of its beak. Children, do you know what is wading bird? Wading bird has long feet, and they stand in the water for a long. This type of bird are known as wading bird, and its beak like a spoon, so it is known as spoonbill. Okay. Next one is noisy forest bird, that is toucan. This is noisy forest bird. Now cassowary is a large flightless bird related to the ostrich. Children, this bird is related to ostrich, and it is also big. Okay, and flightless bird. Now the bright color of the dash beak is seasonal. You can see here bright color of this beak, and it is for season only, not forever. Now next one is, you can see the spoonbill in the wild in India. Children, these bird you can see in the wild in India. Now in kookaburra and cassowary are found in around the Australia. These two birds, kookaburra and cassowary, these two birds are found in Australia. So children, write all the answers in your book, learn spellings and learn the answers. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.